Hello everybody. Today we are going to see Erba Mannheim's Erba Norm kit. So this is the front and the top side view of the kit, and you can see Erba Norm kit. This kit has a pack size of 4 into 5 ml volume, and the catalog number for it is 120218. You can find it here, and it has a 4 into 5 ml of volume of pack size. You can see it is C certified. It needs to be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It has a standard expiry of 28 months. You can find it here. And about this kit contains Erba Norm of 4 into 5 ml volume and Aqua 4 of 1 into 25 ml volume. You can find it here. So this is the side view of the kit. You can also see this kit is compatible with all the Erba analyzers. So to sum it up, this is Erba Mannheim's Erba Norm kit. This particular kit has a 4 into 5 ml volume. It is C certified. It needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius and has a standard expiry of 28 months. The catalog number for it is 120218. These Erba Norm kit also come in a different pack size, as you can see it here. This is also Erba Norm kit of 1 into 5 ml of pack size. This is the different pack size, but the same kit. You can find the catalog number differs a little bit. The catalog number for this one is 120219. You can find it here. This is also Erba Norm kit. The kit contains Erba Norm of 1 into 5 ml volume and Aqua 4 of 1 into 6 ml volume. This kit also needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius and has a standard expiry of 28 months. You can find it here. So this is the Erba Norm 1 into 5 ml kit, and this is the Erba Norm 4 into 5 ml kit. So thank you.